How to create a type brush in Affinity Photo. Paint something like this. Let's go to a fresh document. Go to the artistic text tool, select that. Set a font, I'm going with Arial, but you can use any font, and set the size. And just click document, and I'm going to go with the word type. You can put anything. Now with this, what you can do, you can go to View, Studio, and Character. Because I want a background to it. I've got black for the colour. I'm just going to click here, and I'm going for orange. Once you've done that, go over here to Layer and Rasterize. I want to rasterize this so I can use it as a brush. Go over here, Rectangular Marquee tool. The reason for that, unless you want this part, it's obviously slightly bigger than I want for the brush. So I'm just going to create a selection. So just drag over there so I can remove this top part. Then go to the Brushes panel. You can find that in the View menu, Studio and Brushes. Brushes, I've got a category called Text. Go there and down the bottom, New Brush from Selection. And that's the selection, so New Brush from Selection, and you can see it added there. To edit the brushes, double click. Go there and go to Dynamics, and you can change the size jitter so you can make it small, especially if you've got an art pad and pen. Very useful. Also, you can add rotation jitter as well, so you can rotate. You can also set some scattering, scatter Y, and also change the hue jitter. And also saturation if you wish, so you can create a variety of different colours. Click close, and now go to the paintbrush tool, select that in the tools panel, and apply. And you now can see your type brush applied across the document very quickly. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please leave in the comments below. Thank you much.